Welcome to D Hostel in Greentown, Ipoh. CCTV and secure access card. Open seating area is available. Shared dryer, washing machine, water dispenser, microwave, and fridge. Queen bedroom with window. Queen bedroom. Twin room with window. Queen and single bed for 3 persons. Weekly common area cleaning. Free monthly room cleaning. Super near to Greentown Business Centre. Walking distance to UniKL RCMP and General Hospital. Close to Ipoh Parade Mall and McDonald's. Contact us today to book your room at D Hostel.